Today is Thursday, October 22nd, 2009, 3 o'clock right now. We're here in Jackson, Wisconsin at the warehouse, and what we're doing is a video of the 2006 Gildemeister NEF600 lathe, serial number ending in 17A. First thing to mention, we are in the warehouse here, and that's why the machine is on 4x4 blocks. But you can hear it and see it. It's running very quiet and smooth despite not being level. As you can see here, power is on, and we are dry running a program here. Indexing the turret. Smooth, nice and quiet. You can hear the spindle running, that's very quiet. You can see the way covers are not dinged or damaged or dented. They move freely, nice and smooth. Open up the door here. Get a close-up of the chuck. That is a Schunk German-made chuck, 10-inch hydraulic. There is also a secondary 10-inch scroll chuck, a manual chuck that comes with the machine. There's also a second turret. The turret on the machine currently is set up for inch, and there's also a metric turret with the machine in case customer wants to use metric tooling. You see the tailstock. So you can see the inside of the cabin is very clean. The ways look nice. Here again, no dents. And the weight covers look very good. As you can see, they're not dented. 8-station turret here, again with a spare turret. Machine comes with a chip pan, which you can see here, that is on wheels. There's also a flood coolant system. There's the coolant pump. So that just slides underneath the machine and slides out for chip removal. The machine has only 1,296 power on hours total. These are zero here because those are resettable. However, this number is not resettable, and that also matches the electric counter on the side of the machine, which I will show. So that is an accurate number, 1,296 power on hours total.
Parameter power on in minutes, 77,764 minutes. The number of programs you can put in, 400. This is the size of the memory. Basically, it's about 518,000 characters. That's a huge memory.
This is the second hour counter on the machine, and this matches the control, so we know that number is accurate.
About 40 off. Yeah,
40 off because they put the control on before they put this on, but this shows 1,251 hours total. So the machine has very, very little use. Here removing the tailstock quill. Nice and smooth, nice and quiet. Here we're closing the chuck, opening the chuck and closing. Here we're rotating the turret manually. The door has to be closed. Rotating clockwise and now counterclockwise. Nice and quiet, nice and smooth, no problems. The machine comes with a multi-input transformer here. We can see the inputs are 480, 240, 208. The machine runs on 400 volts itself. As you can see here though, on the secondary, yeah, it's 400 volts. So here again, 480, 240, 208 input. As you can see, the electrical cabinet is squeaky clean. The original bags of sand, silica sand to suck up the moisture when it was shipped originally are actually still in, as you can see. So it's just squeaky clean. All the documentation for the machine is there, electrical schematics, programming manuals, mechanical diagrams. We have the original factory protocol. There is the spare turret that I mentioned. That is the scroll chuck. It is a manually operated chuck, and that is a Rome. That is a German-made chuck, very expensive. So we can see all this tooling here comes with the machine, and the complete set of documentation is there. Here we see the hydraulic unit. As you can see, that's huge, number one. And number two, that is Rexroth, that is made in Germany. So these are very good components on this machine here. This is the back of the inside of the machine. I just want to show you this so you can see how clean it is. And we're starting the program here so we can see it running from the back. There again, you can see everything is moving smoothly. And this is on 4x4s. The machine isn't even leveled. Here's an overall view of the machine to conclude the video. Stainless steel operator panel here, very nice. Foot control, very user-friendly. 3D graphics. The control does have 3D graphics, so you can actually simulate the part being cut 3D. Stainless steel front panels. Very nice European design. And here's the back of the machine with the DMG tag. As you can see, we have it in a very clean, well-lit warehouse here. And there is an inspection report available. We measured the backlash and the runout, and everything looked very tight and very good. So this concludes the video of the 2006 Gildemeister NEF CNC lathe. Thank you for your interest.